Hey YouTube, it's the Power Maker, and I'm going to show you how to make a tube for your homemade firecrackers. This is what we're going to be making. It's a tube. Thick. Okay, the supplies you need is scotch tape, a screwdriver, a pencil or a dowel, a ruler, and a piece of paper. Okay. First, you get like a working pencil and measure 1.5 inches of paper on your ruler. So here's 1.5 inches. Now fold the piece of paper over. Now bend it, and then when you bend it, you can just see the mark right there. And then you just bend a little, see if it'll fit. Now things go down. Perfect. Just flatten it with your fingers. Okay. It's right there on the line, so it's perfect. Now, get your screwdriver or something that has a rough edge and run it along the crease. Just do that a couple times and then fold it out again and fold it the other way. And do the same thing. Okay. Now you bend it again, and you just keep bending it until you think you have a nice fold. Then just tear it a little, like that, and then just rip it. Rip it slowly. Okay. You don't need this, so throw that away. Okay. Here is 1.5 inches of paper. Okay. Now you get your wooden stick or pencil, whatever you're using. And you get some little piece of tape. Just get a tiny piece of tape, like that small, and rip it in half. You put this on the end of a piece of paper, like so, and you tape it to the pencil to make it really tight, and start rolling it straight and tightly and pull this really tightly. Okay, now get another piece of tape, not that long, and tape your flap shut. So just tape it shut. Okay, so just twist it, try to twist it off. It's really hard to get off. Okay, now just like twist it to make it, or just get your screwdriver and go like this. And tape it one more time. And there. And there's your tube. I made tons of these tubes. Alright. Okay. Here are all my tubes that I made. They're really nice and hard. This one's the thickest. They're all 1.5 inches You could make it longer if you want, but 1.5 inch will do some good damage. So hopefully you like my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.